Oh my god, look at this moist vanilla cake. And if I tell you I did not use butter, I did not use egg, will you believe me? Anyway, let's get straight into the process. This is me brushing my pan with a little bit of butter or vegetable oil. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of flour in it and I'm going to set it aside. This will help your cake slide out easily after baking, especially if you're using non-stick pan and will not stress you after baking. So we are using 150 grams of sugar. We are using 125 ml of vegetable oil. If you think 150 grams of sugar is too much, you can go for 100 grams of sugar. Alright, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of your vanilla essence. Then I'm going to add 125 ml of your milk. You can see the ingredients on the screen. This batter will not take you more than 5 minutes to make. It is so stress-free. It is easy and you can use the ingredients in your kitchen to make this recipe. So if you want to make a birthday cake for a family member and you do not have eggs, you do not have butter, and you're wondering what will I do, this recipe will come in handy. So save this video. I'm going to go on now to adding all my dry ingredients after adding in my wet ingredients. I am using 150 grams of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add all these dry ingredients together. I'm going to sieve them into my liquid mixture and mix all of them together. One thing I love about this recipe is that you do not need a mixer. You don't even need a whisk. If you have a spoon or you have anything in your kitchen that can stir properly, that you can stir properly with, just stir your batter and stir all the dry ingredients and wet ingredients together. And if you did it all well, if you follow this instruction in this video, your batter should look like this. I'm going to go on now to add it into my pan that I did brush with vegetable oil or butter and sprinkle a little bit of flour in earlier. Bake in an oven of 170 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes and boom, this is what we get at the end of the day. Isn't this beautiful? This cake is so easy to make and I love it because you can manipulate your ingredients the way you want it. Now, if you have watched till this point and you haven't subscribed to Debbie's Kitchen, do subscribe, do like and share. Tell me what you think about this recipe. I'm going to put another video at the end screen that I did make chocolate cake without using eggs and without using butter. It came out really moist. So we are now going to take this out of the pan. Because I did brush with vegetable oil and I sprinkled a little bit of flour in it, it came out easily without stress. So now, before you leave, calm down. We need to find out the texture of this cake because are we really sure that the texture will be nice? We need to cut into this cake to really see how it feels. Is it really worth it? Should I really try it? Now, this will give you a reason for you to try this recipe in your kitchen or maybe not. So if you look at me slicing into the cake, you really see that it is moist, just literally looking at the cake. But that is not enough. That is not convincing enough. So stick around a little bit longer. Now, look at me picking the cake. This is so moist, guys. Literally, it will melt in your mouth. So fluffy and moist for a cake that I didn't use butter, that I didn't use eggs. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Tell me what you think about this recipe. Will you try it out? If you would, comment in the comment section and don't forget to like this video, thumbs up, share, and see you in my next one. Bye-bye. Good to have you here. See you next time.